Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for another day. How's it, guys? Good morning. It's Fixin' Angel. Thank you for joining with me. This is a 2005 Nissan 350Z. It has 160,000 miles. I recently replaced the radiator because it's leaking. Now it has a check engine light. I checked it last night with my scan tool. I didn't see that. P1278, 1276, P1031, 1278, 1279, 1148, 1276, 1031. Read live data. And bank 1 sensor 1, then bank no, and then bank 2 sensor 1. Okay, you see the difference. See, it's fluctuating. Bank 2 sensor 1, the volts are fluctuating. 0.5, 0.6, 0.5, 0.6, and then bank 1 sensor 1 being at 0.3. Let's combine it. Look at that. Bank 2 sensor 1 is fluctuating. That's blue. The green one is bank 1 sensor 1. It's just flatline. Press the gas pedal. Still nothing. Bank 1 sensor 1 is bad. Gotta replace it. So bank 1 is on the left side. Let's see. Here's the exhaust manifold on the bottom of this pipe. I could see it's over there. Let's go lift it. Where is it? That's the exhaust manifold. Okay, this is bank 1 sensor 2. Oh, it's right here. I can feel it. Alright. Sensor's right there. Get the connector up there first. Dang, that's pretty difficult. Alright, I think I see it. This is it right here. Dang, it's bottom of this harness. Shit. I think there's a fuel damper. What the fudge? Move this up. See if this helps. Okay. Let's move this out of the way. Oh, now we can see it. Oh, come on. Right there. Squeeze that and push it in. Yes. Piping. Let's see the new one. Bank 1 sensor 1. It looks correct. Let's go from the bottom now. Please come off easy. It's right there. Holy shit. There's not a lot of room. This support right here I have to take out. Shrimp out. Okay, this is 14 millimeter. Oh, almost hit my face. Please, 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 please be easy. Okay. Get in there. Uh-oh. Oh. Let me go up. Like that. Nope, that's tight. What about here? Oh shoot. Nope. If we flip it over. Nope. That won't work. Trim. Dang, it's a bitch. Just take it easy. I got this. Make it turn right. Can't see it. This. Oh, yeah, right there. Okay, good. Patience, my friend. Patience. Oh. Turn it to the right. Oh yes. Oh yeah, baby. My arm's right here. Can I see it there? Nope, I can't. Over here. Shoot. Can I see it? Oh yeah, I think I can see a little. Oh yes. Let's go turn. Oh yeah, boy. Yes. Right there. Oh. That works. My neck is killing me. Ugh. NTK. This is Denso. Who is it? Kinda short. Let's just slap it on. Get in there. Come on. Oh man, my neck. Patience, my friend. Patience. I think I'm turning it correctly. I think it's in. Now we need to tighten it up. Oh yeah, it's in there. Oh, oh shoot. There. Counter. Oh. Oh. A little bit more. A little more. Try one more time. I think I could do it. Yes. No more. Okay, that's all I got. All the way up there. Alright. Push right. Just enough, bruh. Just like this. Zip tie that. Just need to put it down. Start it up. Alright, done replacing the air fuel ratio sensor, bank 1 sensor 1. That was a bitch. Time to reset the light. Clear. Yes. Sensor 1. Bank 2 sensor 1. Okay. Combine. Okay. Right there. The same. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you on my next video. God bless and peace, everybody.